How to show PIL image in ipython-notebook. This is my code. I would like to do some image manipulation on it, and then show it on screen. I am having problem with showing PIL image in Python notebook. I have tried. And just. But both just give me.
Updated November 17, 2021. When using PIL/Pillow, Jupyter notebooks now have a display built-in that will show the image directly, with no extra fuss. Jupyter will also show the image if it is simply the last line in a cell. This has changed since the original post. Thanks to answers from Dean and Probit for pointing this out. Other methods. From File. You can also use IPython's display module to load the image. You can read more from the doc. From PIL.image object. As ops requirement is to use PIL, if you want to show inline image, you can use matplotlib.pyplot.imshow with numpy.asArray like this too. If you only require a preview rather than an inline, you may just use show like this.
Use IPython display to render PIL images in a notebook.
I found that this is working. After this I can just do. But this must be last line in cell, with no print after it.
Much simpler in Jupyter using Pillow.
Case Python 3.
Workshop, this is